Hey everyone, today we're checking out something amazing. The DJI Avata 2, the drone that everyone is talking about. Let's have it unboxed and see what we have picked up. As we get box open, the first thing we come across is the user manual. But let's have the good stuff shown. Here it is, the DJI Avata 2, a compact design drone. This is a must-have for tech lovers, so if you're thinking of getting one, better be quick before it gets sold out. The drone comes with the goggles, the remote controller for precise handling, and 3 batteries for longer flights. You can have extra accessories found if you shop around for your perfect setup. This drone is small but powerful. A 4K ultra clear camera, image stabilization, and an advanced flight system. Perfect for getting those high quality shots shown off. And that's all included in the box of the Avata 2. If you're looking to get a drone that can do it all, this one is definitely for you. Next up, the flight test. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on the next video. Bye!